we have here the JLM DPF Refill Kit. This is what you need to fill the tank. So let's see what we have in the kit and how we use it. So we have the attachment to fit onto the top of the bottles. So let's put this to one side. We have the refill hose. And also in the kit, we have the short plastic pipe. So we'll get that in there. And we have 3 attachments. So we have 2 male attachments and we have 1 female attachment. So the first thing we need to do, now you may need to use a lighter for this. It does make the job much easier, and also it'll get a much nicer fit once it's cooled down. So let's warm up the pipe, like so. So on the larger pipe, what I recommend doing is warming the pipe up, getting it started, and then let's give it another warm up just to push it home. Like anything, a little bit of better preparation is always best, because don't forget, once you have this set up, then you can keep the kit for future use. So once you have the kit, this pipe on there, you can use it numerous times over and over again. So there we go. So that's on there nice and tight. Again, let's do this. There we go. So now I'll let this cool down and give it a good tug to make sure that it's nice and tight. So now you have short pipe set up, ready to go, and then we need to do the same with the female attachment. And then finally, we are going to attach this to the filler cap. Okay, now we'll have this all set up. We'll move the bag out of the way. We don't need the lighter anymore. So the different attachments are only necessary depending on the type of tank, because with different manufacturers they do vary in size. So with some tanks you do not need the extra attachments, and you can simply plug this straight onto the filler cap. But on this one here, what we're doing, this one is out of a citron. We'll take the filler attachment off, and then we'll click one end into here and the other like so into here. Again, this is a professional only, must wear PPE, so you know you should be a garage owner that is doing this procedure. It's not a DIY job. So we'll now fill this up until we get fluid coming from the fill pipe.